Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 niches that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the first trending niche that I have for you is this one right here that says Florida, where woke goes to die. You can see it right here in the search bar. And basically the reason why this is trending is because DeSantis is now running for president, and every time he does a speech, he says the word woke like 20 times, and he says this phrase, Florida, where woke goes to die. Now, this isn't just like a brand new niche. Like well, first let's just take a look at the competition. So there's only 222 results, and when I click on the third page, we're going to see there's also only 228, not sure why I bumped up 6, but you can see it's still, doesn't say like 1,000 or 5,000, so still low in competition. But this niche actually started to trend actually about a year ago, because if we look at some of the designs, we're going to see like this one right here, November 10th, 2022. So, designs were popping off in this niche about a year ago. But if we look at this one right here, we can see June 3rd, 2023, and it's already selling, 256 BSR. So this niche is starting to become popular again because of Ron DeSantis and him running for president. If we take a look at a couple other ones, like these are all 2022, so from a year ago. But if we look at this one right here, we're going to see this was just uploaded, 3 days ago? Today's the 8th, so the 5th. So right here, we're going to see Florida, where woke goes to die. Just uploaded a couple days ago, 362 BSR. And it looks like a lot of the way people are designing this is they're just taking a map of Florida, putting the words or the text, Florida, where woke goes to die. You can also do something like this, where you cross niche alligator and the state of Florida and put the phrase. Let's see, when was this one uploaded? So this was just uploaded a couple of days ago. If we go to test, just to double check to make sure that this phrase is okay or safe to use, where woke goes to die. You can also do Florida, where woke goes to die, but if you type it in, hit enter, we're going to see nothing pops up. If we look at the competition on Etsy, we're going to see there's barely any competition. So actually a little more than I expected. So about 1,000 results, but that's still very low in competition for Etsy. Let's take a look at Redbubble. Now, me personally, I probably wouldn't upload this design to Redbubble, because it seems just like any political niche, especially if it's like on the right, anything to do with Republicans or MAGA, Redbubble seems to always take it down. But if you don't want to, you can go ahead and upload it onto Redbubble. You see there's only 17 results. Maybe they won't give you a hard time. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see there's only like 1 or 2 designs. So this could be a good niche for a TeePublic. Don't sleep on TeePublic. I always say that. A lot of people don't like TeePublic because they only get like $2 a sale. You can see my royalties so far for the month are $21. I did 105 last month. But usually, at least last year, I was doing almost like 200 to 300 a month. So definitely get your designs up onto TeePublic. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, we're going to see, if you just type in what did I type in? Florida map. You can get some clip art. You can just click on print on demand. I will show you all the ones that come with a print on demand license. So you can do something like this as long as it's allowed, or you can do something like this and just do like a clipping mask in Photoshop and put like a flag and then write in the text. All right, so that's the first niche that I have for you. And the second niche that I have for you is another political one, and it's Magadonian. This is because Trump looks like he has now rebranded his followers by calling them Magadonians. So if we go to this Google page right here, we're going to see Trump rebrands his followers Magadonians. And so if we take a look at the competition for this word on Amazon, we're going to see there's only 428 results. And if we go to the third page, we're going to see there's still only 428 results. Now, this niche didn't seem to be as selling as good as the woke Florida one, because here we're going to see, I'm only seeing like 2 designs that actually have BSRs, but we can see they were just uploaded a couple of days ago. They're already selling, but a lot of the other ones don't have BSRs yet. But don't be fooled by this. I can't tell you how many times I've researched a niche and I saw that, it was just NA right here. They didn't have any BSRs. I'm like, oh, this niche isn't worth my time. It's not selling. And then I come back like a couple days later and just everyone has a BSR, and I'm like kicking myself in the butt. I'm like, damn, why didn't I get into that niche? So what I did, even though I saw this wasn't really selling that well, I still went ahead and I uploaded 3 designs last night. The way I went at this niche, I said Proud Magadonian. All right, but there's a lot of ways that you can do it. You could say we are Magadonian, cross niche it with 2024, like this one right here. If we take a look at test to see if this Magadonian word is trademarked, hit enter, we're going to see nothing pops up. And the competition is low on all the websites. So Etsy, 783 results. If we look at Redbubble, 38 results. Again, me personally, I will not be uploading this design to Redbubble, but it looks like these ones have been up and are not having any problems. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see what the competition looks like there. It looks like there's only 7 results, so this could be another good one for us. Again, don't sleep on those BSRs when they say, you know, NA. It means that maybe they've been selling, they just, at Amazon hasn't just updated the BSR. So that's the second niche that I have for you. And then the third niche that I have for you is a funny 4th of July one. The reason that this niche is trending is because 4th of July is around the corner, and the phrase or the niche is "I'm just here for the wieners." So this is like a hot dog shirt for 4th of July. We can see there's only 535 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see there's still only 535 results. But if we take a look at some of these designs, like this one right here, this is what the designs look like. It's a hot dog. We've seen this phrase before. I'm just here for like the pumpkin pie. I'm just here for, you know, you basically just take I'm just here and you cross niche it with whatever type of food is popular during that holiday. We see it a lot during like Halloween and like I'm just here for the candy, and also for Thanksgiving. But if we look at this design right here, it was just uploaded, you know, 5 days ago, June 3rd, 2023, and it's sitting at 120 BSR. You know, really good design, good price. You know, this design is selling. You know, this is probably making, I don't know, maybe like 3 to 5 sales a day. So like maybe 15 to 25 bucks a day. So that's a, you know, in my opinion, a nice royalty. They also put it in white as well, which is a good idea. You always want to, not always, but it's a good idea to design for both white and black. Let me see if we find some other ones that were also recently uploaded. So let's see, like this one right here, May 30th, 2023, also selling with a good BSR. If we go to test to see if it's trademarked, I'm just here for the wieners, hit enter, we're going to see nothing pops up. If we go to Etsy, competition is low, only some results. Redbubble, let's see, only 7 results. And it looks like it's the same design, and he's doing a good job by using the sticker as the thumbnail. And then for TeePublic, what do we got here? I'm not really seeing anything, so this could be a good opportunity for TeePublic because I'm not seeing any of those designs. So that's the third niche that I have for you. And then the fourth niche that I have for you guys is an LGBT phrase or niche. The reason this is trending is because it's Gay Pride Month, so the phrase is more pride, less prejudice. We're going to see there's only 586 results, and when we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's also only 586 results, so low in competition. This is what the designs are looking like right here. So basically they're all kind of using this woman. Now I don't know who this woman is. You might want to do a little research just to double check, but when we look at some of these designs, you can see they're all uploaded 2023, 2023, 2023. And I mean, look at these, 19,000, 60,000, you know, under 100,000. That's very good. You know, these are making lots of sales. Now again, I'm not too sure why. I would probably do a little more research just to double check. Like I would go to Google, like I did right here, type this in and see if this is like knocking off any type of book, or you know, just try and do a little more research just to understand, because sometimes when something's selling and it's selling so well, sometimes it can be a little too good to be true. So I would just do a little research trying to understand why they're using this photo, like who is that person, because if we look at all the designs, they're pretty much all exactly the same. So if anybody knows, maybe put a comment in the video, or put a comment in the comments, I mean. But as you can see here, you know, really good BSRs, but they're all kind of the same. So maybe do something more like this to maybe not get yourself in trouble if this is you know, something that you're not allowed to use. But that's the fourth one. Well, actually, let's double check the trademark. So more pride, less prejudice. You'll see nothing pops up, and competition on all the other websites. Actually on Etsy it's a little higher than normal, so 5,000 results. Redbubble, only 70 results, and it's actually a keyword right here. And let's see what TeePublic has. You can see little competition as well. So that's the fourth niche that I have for you. And then the last trending niche that I have for you is a fun one that says Gen X raised on hose water. So if you were born like in the 80s like me, you know, when you're growing up playing with your friends in the street, you drank out of the hose. That was pretty common. And so this is what the design looks like right here. Gen X raised on hose water. Now I didn't really see any other results. We could see that it was just recently uploaded. It's already selling. In my opinion, this is like a little too big. You know, I think this might get a lot of returns because, I mean, it's good because it catches your eye. You know, that's why you want to have it big. But I might do something just a little bit smaller. But this is what the design looks like right here. We're going to see there's very little competition. I'm not even going to go to the third page. It's not even really worth it because it's going to be low in competition. This phrase is not trademarked on tests. And if we look at the competition on the other websites, there's barely anything because I don't think there's really a reason why this is trending. This is just like a funny Gen X phrase. So that is the fifth trending niche that I have for you. Now, if you're looking for like designs, you can go to Creative Fabrica. I've mentioned this many times before. Creative Fabrica is a great resource for print-on-demand sellers. They have AI, they have fonts, they have graphics, they have a whole POD section. They even have courses. But the POD section is cool because you can just click on it. Where is it? It's right up here at the top. So you can see that POD. Click on that. Type in the niche that you're trying to design for, and they have all these graphics, clip art designs that you can use with a free license, commercial free license. Now they have a promo right now where it's only $4.99 a month. Breaks down to $59 a year. I do have an affiliate link in my description, so if you just scroll down to the description, you'll see a section in my description where it says favorite POD tools. You click on the Creative Fabrica link. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up, I do get a small commission, but in my opinion, Creative Fabrica is by far the best platform for getting graphics for your print-on-demand business. Now, if you are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or even on Redbubble, I have two courses that you might be interested. These courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. So this is my Merch by Amazon for Beginners course, Step-by-Step Beginner's Guide for Mastering Merch by Amazon. It's over an hour of content. It's only $19.99. Here you can take a look at the course content. I show you how to cross the niche, downscale your designs. I show you my process, how I find those trending niches like I just showed you. You can take a look at the reviews right here. It has a 4.4 course rating. And then I also have one for Redbubble as well. Step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. Same thing, only $19.99. This one's also over an hour of content. This one has a 4.7 course rating. So if you're interested in those courses, links will be in the description. And I'll also have them as a pinned comment. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have close to 12,000 sales and I'm about to hit $40,000 in revenue. And if we look at my credentials on Redbubble, over the past 12 months, I've done $1,800. Last year I was doing like $200, $250 a month. I was always pretty much over, or at least close to 150. Things have kind of ticked down now with the recent changes that they made to Redbubble. So that's a little disappointing. We'll see how my royalties go for the future. But like I said, if you're interested in these courses, links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Now, if you like, excuse me, if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis, just showing you, like I just showed you in this video, like trending niches, you know, design ideas, evergreen niches, basically just niches to get sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. So if you go to my channel, you can see I have some, if you're looking for some more ideas, like this one I just put out yesterday. So go ahead and check out my channel. Sorry that this video is a little longer than I usually do, but I wanted to get all those niches out, especially the political ones, because you have to be quick with those. Comment below what niches you are most excited about and that you're going to be designing for. I know me for sure. I'm definitely going to do those two political ones at the beginning, but I'm going to end this video because I'm starting to lose my voice. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, bye-bye.